Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the secret Halloween dress in Dress to Impress. So go to free play mode and go out here. Then you're going to want to buy a ticket for apple bobbing. I suggest purchasing the most expensive one, so you'll get more chance of getting it. Then you're going to go apple bobbing. I'm going to use the tier 3 glowing candy one. Press use, and you're just going to basically tap and hold like you're fishing. I don't know how to explain it. Like you're just going to redirect the bar to like the apple. Oh my god. Okay, there we go. Have I gotten it yet? Okay, I have not gotten it yet. So I'll be back in around 10 minutes and let's see if I get it then. Okay, I'm gonna try it again and hopefully I'll get the dress. So let's use this one. Okay, go. Oh my god. Yes, I got the dress. Okay, and that is pretty much it for this video. I got the dress after 5 games, I would say. And yes, you do need to use that ticket. You know what? I'm just gonna show you guys the dress because it took me like so long to get it. I think it should be here. Yes, it's here. It is super cool, has a lot of textures. Let me just remove the actual dress that I have on. And this is what it should look like. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.